12 years of my whole experience of dealing with patients according to Ayurvedic diet, Ayurvedic lifestyle, Ayurvedic home remedies, and very simple tips I would like to share with you. And I want 100% of energy from all of you. Hello?
Hello.
So here is a picture of Lord Dhanvantari, who is the god of ancient herbal science and health. Then in Ayurveda we can heal chronic illnesses like arthritis, diabetes, blood pressure, anxiety, depression, heart problem, sinusitis. You name the problem and there is a cure in Ayurveda for everything. In Ayurveda we specifically believe in 5 elements. Everyone knows about 5 elements? Okay. So these 5 elements are air, ether, fire, water and earth. Out of these 5 elements, there are 3 energies derived in our system. Air and ether combined is called Vata. Fire and water combined is called Pitta, and earth and water combination is called Kapha. For example, if you have lots of air or lots of space element in your stomach, what will happen? Gas, okay. When this air travels to the chest area, what will happen? Chest pain. If this air goes inside the head, what will happen? Airy head, confusion, depression, anxiety. And if this kind of a person is eating lots of raw food, like raw vegetable, raw salad or cold drinks or all peas, chickpeas, chole bhature, what will happen to his gases? It will increase more. If he has lots of popcorns and cornflakes, the air will increase more. And this air will start to travel inside the joints and he will get arthritis problem or cervical spondylosis problem or more confusion, more depression, more anxiety. So if a person is kind of air and ether element, then he should consume more warming and soupy kind of food instead of having more crunchy and dry foods. Second person is called Pitta or fiery kind of person. If there is lot of acid in your stomach, what will happen? Acidity or heartburn. This acid when travels inside your system and goes to the skin, what will happen? You will get skin diseases like eczema, psoriasis and pimples. Same heat if it goes in the head, you will get angry very fast. You have blood pressure problem. And if this kind of a person is eating lots of sour food, like too much tomato or lemon or tamarind or oranges or pineapple or alcohol, what will happen to the acid level? It will increase more and he will have all kinds of skin disease, hair fall and vision problem. So if you are acidic in nature or if you have lots of fire and pitta element, you should consume more cooling kind of food like cooling vegetables, mung beans, rice, khichdi. They are all alkaline in nature. So try to consume more alkaline food if you have skin problems. Third kind is called Kapha kind. Kapha kind of people have lots of earth and water elements. So they easily put on weight or they have diabetes problem or they get sinus or asthma problem. And if this kind of a person is eating lots of cold food like ice cream, cold drink, fridge ka pani and heavy foods like pizza, burger, what will happen to the water and earth? They will gain more weight, they will have more blood sugar, they will have more asthma attack. So that kind of people should have light to digest food like mung beans, cooked vegetables, cooked grains. They will help them to lose weight and also use more warming.